Can you guess what we're doing today? That's right. We're gonna be doing magic science. As you can see, I already opened the box. So, let's see which experiments can we do. These all look pretty good. I've decided what I'm gonna do. So, let's open all our materials. Let's see what we have. We have some cups, a magic wand, snow powder, baking soda, Orbeez, and sand. I think it's, let me see. Yep, it's sand. A pipette, or a sucker, you can say. Gloves. Oh, we'll need these. Citric acid. A spoon. And what is this? Some purple sand thingy. Let me see what it is. It is red cabbage powder. That's a weird name. A measuring cup. And obviously the instruction book. So, let me have a look at what we'll need. Okay, so let me see what we need. So, take out a clear cup. Let's take out a clear spoon. Citric acid. I need some water. I can't seem to find out what we need. Oh, maybe the magic wand might help us. What's the magic word again? Oh my god, you're right! 3, 2, 1. Abracadabra! Oh my god, thank you, magic wand. So let's start. First, take out a clear cup and use the spoon to put the citric acid powder into the cup. So let's do that. Do you think this is enough? I'll take that as a yes. Then, pour 25 milliliters of water and stir to make it dissolve. Okay, so let me just get 25 ml of water. Guys, look, it's dissolving. For those of you who don't know what dissolve means, it means it's disappearing into tin water. Is that a good definition for you? Good. Sheesh. This will be way easier when I can just pour it all in, if there's another step like that. I mean, at first they just told me to get water. So don't blame me ask me why I got so much. Around that's enough. I have to stir it. Okay. The spoon is going to probably be used again in something, so there's nothing else I can use. The magic wand made everything else disappear, which was just a bunch of powder. Hopefully it lets me get it back once I finish this experiment. Finally. Hey, do you guys see? It looks like water. There's actually whatever citrus acid is in here. Now, we take out another clear cup and use this spoon to put the baking soda powder in it. Well, okay. Let's just hope this doesn't take too long. Okay, there. Is this the one with water in it? No, you can barely see. Then, pour 25 ml of water in it to make it dissolve with your magic wand. Oh my god, not this again. Let's keep this aside so we know this is the one with baking soda. Because it's going to dissolve in this as well. Whatever the results will be, let's hope it comes out immediately. If only I knew a magic spell to make this quicker. Some of it got on my... Should I use the star to do this? Well, if you say so. Yeah, the star just makes it worse. Most of it's dissolved, see? Stir, 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 stir. Stir, 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 stir. Yeah, it's starting up good. Stir, 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 stir. Any of it left? Just enough. Stir. I just realized, since there's like a line here, I can just put it in, just move it straight and the lines will just make it spin automatically. Talk about easy. There, it's finished. Oh, almost spilled it. Now, then put all of the cabbage powder. Oh my god. Yeah, thank you for being specific this time. Let's hope this isn't very stinky. There. Oh, there. There, all of it. Next. Yeah, unfortunately, I have to use all of it. There. Now we use 25 ml of water. Oh my god. That looks actually like a really nice shade. Use my magic wand. Oh, this is so annoying. I don't want to hold this. Wait. There. Now, so now let's just, split this. Let's see how much ml this is. So, we're going to use 12 ml for each. That's around 20. So 8 more. Still around 18. There. And then mix them together. Let's hope this is instant. Do this first. Guys, remember, this is the baking soda and this is the citrus acid. Oh my god, look, it's turned blue. The baking soda's powder has turned blue. Now, let's see what happens to this. So, let's go. Let's just boop a bit in and see what happens. Boop. Pink. It's red. Blue and red. Blue and red make purple. Isn't this amazing? I mean, it was purple at first. Is it possible the baking soda stole the blue and the citrus acid stole the pink? Wait, is it red or pink? I can't really tell. I'll just say red. Okay. Whoa, we're so lucky. This is going to be a bit of an explosion, guys. So let me just make sure none of it gets on the floor, okay? Now let's move on to activity number 2. Whoa, this is just one step. Oh, we should stay away for this one. Stand back. Please don't get mad at me for doing this. I have to. If you like pink, guess what? Pink's gonna go in first. There it is, pink's in the cup. Yeah, on second thought, I shouldn't have done that. I should have poured them in the same time. Not doing anything weird. So, 3, 2, 1. Look, it burned. Isn't that cool? Let me see if it does anything to this wand, just to make sure it's safe. Well, nothing happened to the wand. Is it safe, sisters? I should touch it. It's perfectly safe. Why don't you guys have a closer look? It looks just like before. Have you guys noticed that there are bubbles around here? If you guys want to see it burn a bit, I've got a few extras. Let me just put it back on the newspaper because I've got extras and I want them to explode again. It looks cool. See? Maybe if I put them in another cup, they'll explode again. See? Bubbles. And put it in the pink cup. Burns. This was cool. If you guys still want to look at it, I'll see how much is there and split it equally in each cup. Oh my god. 70. Let me see, 72. Yep. 12 a melon each. Yeah, in the second dot, I'm just gonna put it in randomly. Wee. There. Now we have looked at this experiment. I mean, these two experiments. Next. Let's see what we need for this. Okay. So, oh, that's where it all went. Put all of the used materials here. The pipette and the spoon stays. Put all of the new materials here. The Orbeez are going to be after this, just saying. I say we do activity 4. Snow. I'm gonna need to get some water. Just wait a minute, guys. So guys, today in this video, we learned that if you mix the baking soda, water, and the cabbage powder, then it turns blue. But if you mix the citrus acid, water, and cabbage powder, it turns red. I hope you guys like these two experiments. There will be a few more coming up. Bye!